Good morning, students. Here is a new video about application of Darkfield microscopy. Before starting my video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. We will see first the applications of Darkfield microscopy here. The first one is suspension of cells and samples of pond water that look spectacular under Darkfield microscopy. Next application includes it is particularly valuable for examination of microbes in unstained condition. This technique is useful for diagnostic significance, that is diagnostic detection of syphilis. It is used mostly for visualization of shape and size of microorganisms in a living state, example, spiral-shaped bacteria. Initial examination of suspension of cells such as yeast bacteria, small protista, tissue fractions, epithelial cells, chloroplast, mitochondria, blood cells and virus become possible due to applications of Darkfield microscopy. You can determine motility of a culture very easily with the help of this Darkfield microscope. Thank you. See you once again in our next video. Good day.